Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world without weight. Your coffee mug floats off the table. The ground beneath you loses its pull. What if Earth's gravity suddenly disappeared, not reduced, but completely gone? This is just a thought experiment, but the science behind it is very real. In this documentary, we explore step by step what would actually happen to you, the air, the oceans, and even the planet itself. 1. The first few seconds in the first instant, everything on Earth becomes weightless. You push lightly against the floor and never come back down, because there is no force pulling you to Earth anymore. Buildings were designed to hold weight downward. Without that weight, many structures twist and break under sideways forces they were never built to handle. The air around you also starts changing. Normally, Earth's gravity holds the atmosphere close to the surface. Without gravity, air molecules begin drifting away into space instead of staying in a thick layer around the planet. Strong winds start as air rushes in all directions, no longer anchored. 2. Oceans without gravity. Earth's oceans only stay in place because gravity pulls water toward the center of the planet. If gravity suddenly disappeared, the water would no longer be held down. Huge amounts of water would rise, break into massive floating blobs, and spread out as the planet keeps spinning. Coastal areas would be hit first, not by normal waves, but by giant moving masses of water crashing into cities and land. As water spreads out into space, it also begins to boil and freeze in different regions because pressure and temperature suddenly change. Liquid water is no longer stable in many places, so large parts of the oceans turn into vapor and ice, leaving the surface almost completely dry over time. 3. The atmosphere escapes gravity is the only reason we have breathable air. Without it, the atmosphere slowly leaks away into space. At first, people feel extreme winds and pressure changes. Breathing becomes difficult as the air thins out. After a short time, there simply is not enough air at the surface for humans or animals to survive. Human bodies also depend on external pressure from the air. With rapid pressure loss, lungs and blood circulation become unstable, and a person would quickly lose consciousness and die from lack of oxygen. Plants also die because they cannot get the air and water they need. 4. Inside the planet, gravity not only holds people in oceans, it also holds the whole planet together. Without gravity, Earth's shape begins to change slowly. The molten core and hot material inside the planet are no longer pulled toward the center in the same way. Convection currents that power the magnetic field stop, and Earth's protective magnetic shield fades away. Without a magnetic field, high-energy particles from the sun hit the planet directly. Over time, this radiation damages the surface and destroys any remaining traces of life. Earth becomes a cold, dead rock exposed to space. Long-term fate of Earth. As the atmosphere and oceans escape, Earth loses most of the conditions that make it habitable. Surface temperatures drop sharply because there is no air to trap heat from the sun. The remaining surface becomes extremely cold, similar to the moon. With no gravity holding anything in place and no protection from space, Earth slowly turns into a dry, airless world. Any memory of blue oceans, clouds, and life completely disappears. The planet is still there, but the environment that once supported billions of living things is gone. 6. Closing message: this scenario will not actually happen in real life because there is no known natural way for gravity to suddenly switch off. But this thought experiment shows how important gravity is for every part of our world, from the air we breathe, to the oceans, to the stability of the entire planet. Gravity is invisible, but it quietly controls everything around us. Without it, Earth is no longer home.